I made this video talking about how to make money just by performing a social media job. Forever requested a full tutorial on how to activate your account. So stick to the end of this video because I'm going to walk you through on how to create your account on this platform, how to verify your account, and how to do your tasks immediately and start earning. Right now, we are about to create our account, or the link to this website will be on the description of this video or on the comment section. Right now, enter your full name here, your last name, your email address, your phone number. So select your country. Any country, this platform is worldwide. Enter your password and confirm password. How did you hear about? You can select any of these. If you're watching on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, you select where you hear about this platform. Then the referral code is here and you click on agree the terms and conditions and you click on register. Boom, we have successfully created our account. All we need to do is to complete a survey to earn 100 points immediately after you register using the referral link. So let's complete the survey. Select your gender if you're male or female. You select your age rate, okay? Plus you select the kind of things you are interested in. You must pick at least 10. I'll select random. Click here to submit. Now you have successfully submitted the survey. Then you click here to go home. Then after register, you will see this. This is your referral link. If in case you want to invite a friend, then you click here to start earning. This thing will pop up. You will see get verified. Then you click on to get verified. Then you scroll down. There are two ways you can verify your account. One, you can use bank transfer. Okay, bank transfer by clicking here. You see, when you click here, you get the bank details, or you click here to use your card to make payment. If you are using bank transfer to make payment, once you log in, your dashboard will look like this. Okay, you see, for manual funding, then you send your transfer to this account details here. Then after that, you click here to submit the proof of your payment. You see this email, you submit the proof of your payment, which I'm going to show you how to do that too. If you want to use your card, click here. If you click on using card details, once it pop up, you enter your bank card details and submit it. Your account will be automatically verified. But if you are using bank transfer, this is how you upload your proof of payment. After you have successfully transferred to the account details they provided for you, either you click here or these three icon here, it will bring you to this place. Then you click on talk to us. When you click on talk to us, you see this new ticket. Click on it. Then this place will pop up. After you have clicked on the new ticket, then you select option. You can select transfer issue or feedback, okay, whichever one. After you have transferred your payment, then you come here, click on transfer feedback. Then you enter this message. This message, hello support team, I just made payment and want to verify my account. Below is the proof of my payment. Then you click on this place and upload the proof of your payment, the receipt of your payment. Then you click on send. Within 10 seconds, you will receive email. So you go and check the email you use and create this account. They will notify you that your account has been verified. Once your account is verified, you can see available jobs. Then you can participate in the job. You can see YouTube jobs, Instagram jobs, Telegram jobs, Facebook jobs, and so on. This platform, there are so many countless jobs on this amazing platform. You can duet. You can see when you duet TikTok video, you get paid 15 naira, and so many of them. Let me walk you through on how to do any of these jobs. So when you come here, you click on this back sign. You can see this is TikTok jobs. When you duet this video, you get 15 naira. So this is what you do. This is the job description. Okay, this is the job description. Once you click on this link, it will direct you to the job the video you have to do it. Then so read the job description, use the necessary hashtag they ask you to use, and tag the person they ask you to tag. After that, you screenshot the video and come and submit it here. You can see I have done this job. Let me open another. This is also TikTok job. When you do this one, this is 12 naira. So you follow the instruction. After you have done that, all you need to do is to come here, screenshot the tax you do, and come here and upload it. You can enter your TikTok name here. Okay, your TikTok name here, you can enter it, then and submit. You come here, this is where you see your complete jobs. Okay, you click here, you see the jobs that you have completed, the ones they deny, the ones they approve, and the reason why they approve it. You can see this one, they deny it, the reason why they deny your job. You can see how easy it is to create your account, verify your account, and do the job task. So I want to share my dashboard with you to show you that I have made a lot of money on this platform. As a sit-at-home mom, I work from home. I earn my 90% of income online. So let me share my screen. This is my dashboard. You can see I'm currently having over 2,000 on my wallet. On my transaction list here, you can see I have successfully earned over 356,000 naira just to perform a social media jobs. You can see 525 naira. This is a YouTube watch. 50 naira. You can see these are TikTok jobs I did. 50 naira, 30 naira, and so many on countless successful payments on this platform. So now I'm going to show you how to add your payment details on your profile. Like if you want to withdraw your money, where you want them to send your money. So this is your dashboard, this is your profile. You come to this place, you can see this human icon here. You click on it. Once you click on it, then you click on your profile, and you scroll down. This is where to add your bank account details. Then you select your bank. Okay, whichever bank you are using, you can see multiple banks. Whichever bank you are using, select it. And this second place, you select your bank, you put in your account details, then you click on save. After you have done that, if you go to your wallet, let's say I want to withdraw fund, click on withdraw. Now you enter the amount you want to withdraw here. Then here you can select via local bank, which is if you're Nigerian, you are using your local bank details, or if you are from other countries, you are using PayPal. So whichever payment method you want to withdraw, go to your profile and enable it. Note, withdrawals are made every Friday, only for verified users. Now you can see how easy it is to make money from the comfort of your home while performing a social media jobs using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, like and share. And if you're not following me, kindly hit the plus sign so you don't miss out all my money making tips updates. If you're watching on YouTube and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash the notification button, hit the red button, subscription button, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so that whenever we post correct video on how to make money online, you will be the first to get notified. Who knows, our next video may be a life-changing opportunity. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. Ciao, good luck. See you on my next video. Peace.